So this is the application. This application is used to save status. Stop disturbing people in their WhatsApp inbox, asking them to send you the statuses they've just uploaded. You can do that without asking them. And in this video, I'm going to show you this application that I personally use to save statuses that I feel like they are good and I don't want to lose them in my gallery. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Feel free to go through my video. So in this channel, I post tech hacks that you can use on your phone or entirely on your gadgets, as well as I do vlogging videos. Okay, so feel free to subscribe, comment on my videos, share, like. And so let's go to this application and let me show you how you will use this app to save WhatsApp status instead of just disturbing people. So let's dive in. So here is the app, and this app you can get it in your Play Store. Okay, so where's this application? It's called Phoenix. Oh my god, did I just lose it? Okay, let me move my screen here because it's right here. So this is the application. It's called Phoenix. I don't know, Phoenix depends with the English teacher. Okay, you skip this ad. So that is how that application looks like. That is the home page. So right now I want just to take you through. Let me move my screen right here. So where are you going to download this WhatsApp status from? You see this tab written as Explore that has the number of notifications here. So I'm just going to tap there, and then let me move this here. There is this part that has junk files and WhatsApp, like status saver for WhatsApp. So first you have to go to your WhatsApp and then save, like not save but view the statuses that you want. I don't know if I'm the only one. I don't usually view everyone's status. The ones that I'm interested in are the ones that I'm going to view. So let's first go to WhatsApp and view some status so that I can show you how this app helps you to save status. So I'm just going to my WhatsApp. Where is my WhatsApp? Is right here. So this is my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and I'm just going to tap on the updates like this, and then I'm just going to view the statuses that I want. Okay, but most of them I have viewed. So let me see, what has this one posted? Really, not going to play that due to copyright issues. Okay, so you just view these statuses. Okay, you view them first before you save. So I'm just going to my application like that. So I'm going to my application like this. So I'm going to my application, which is now Phoenix. So I'm just going to tap here on status saver like that, and let me move my screen here. So I want to show you, I viewed this status. Where is it? I had viewed this status. So all the statuses, okay, you tap here, you see. If you want to save them all, you just tap here. But if you want a specific status, you just come here and then you scroll through the statuses that you want to save. All right, the statuses that you want to save, I mean the state. So you just go through them. So if, for example, I want this one, I just tap like that, you see, and it takes like that. And I want to save it, so I'll just come here and then it will save like that. As easy as that. And you will view that status in your gallery, and you can share it or post it whatever you want. So did you find that video educative? Did it help you? Have you learned something from that video? If yes, consider leaving a comment, subscribe to my channel, like. Let's get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.